This video demonstrates how to use conditional statements and subroutine calls. First, enter the program, coding interface, and create a new Lua program. Next, use point-to-point instructions to quickly create a motion program. Next, click the if-else button to enter the if-else command editing interface. This command includes the following buttons. Add else if, when no else expression exists. Click this button to add an else if expression. Add else. Click this button to add an else expression. Delete else. Click this button to delete the else expression. Delete else if. Click this button to remove the else if expression. We add an else if statement to determine the input condition. This example uses the DI signal as the condition. When a signal is input to this channel, the robot moves to point P1. When no signal is input to this channel, the robot moves to point P2. After configuration is complete, click Add and Apply. After adjusting the instruction sequence, a constant loop instruction was added for easier observation. Save the program, switch to automatic mode, and open the I/O status bar. Click to run the program. It can be observed that when no signal is input to CI0, the robot remains stationary at point P2. When a signal is input to CI0, the robot moves to point P1. We can also use variables as decision conditions. Here is a simple example for reference. Next, we'll briefly introduce the program instructions. Create a new program named main1. By clicking the .dar file button, we can select and call previously saved programs within the main program. The contents of the code subroutine can be viewed in the program preview. The layer of code refers to whether the code subroutine involves nested calls. If none nesting exists, the first floor is selected. If nesting is present, the second floor is chosen. The ID number of a subroutine is an artificially assigned number. Note the subroutines within the same program may share the same ID. Click Add and Apply, then switch to automatic mode to run this program. You can see that a subroutine window pops up during program execution, displaying the subroutine instructions being executed line by line. Upon completion of the subroutine execution, this window will close automatically. This concludes the introduction to for robot logic commands, conditional statements, and subroutine calls. Thank you for watching.